Good afternoon and Assalamualaikum Maida. So today, my partner and I will be presenting about the impact of greenhouse gas emission on Malaysia's precipitation trends. This presentation is prepared for English for oral reporting LCC 402. Before that, my name is Nur NASIHAH binti Jasmi and my partner is Nur ATHIRAH SYAHIRAH binti Hashim. Wait ya. Um, okay. To begin with, climate change is becoming one of the most topical issue in the contemporary environment. So it is inextricably connected to the growing greenhouse gas or GHG emission due to the increase in unpredictable weather patterns. So this issue has raised serious concern, especially for countries like Malaysia that are experiencing changing rainfall patterns. And for the credibility part, I would like to share that I have always been interested in how human action can affect our environment. So when I come across recent data showing that how precipitation patterns influ- fluctuated with increasing GHG levels, so I realized that understanding this link is vital for sustainability and policy. Next, I will pass to ATHIRAH. Wait a minute. Oh.
Now let's look at the background of the topic. Malaysia. Greenhouse gas emission reached over 325 million tonnes of CO equivalent in 2021. According to DOMS, most of these emissions come mainly from the energy sector. Rising emissions have caused unpredictable rainfall patterns, including heavier monsoon rain and longer dry periods. This change clearly shows the strong link between human activities and Malaysia's changing climate. Moving on to the central idea, the continuous increase in greenhouse gas emission has led to rising irregular rainfall pattern across Malaysia. It shows how sorry madam. It shows how human activities directly intensify the nation climate change impact. Back to NASIHAH.
Okay, next I will explain for the chart one, which is a line graph, single line graph. So this graph was taken from the Department of Statistics of Malaysia, DOSM. So the purpose of this chart is to compare Malaysia's greenhouse gas emission from year to year. So on the x-axis we have the year, and on the y-axis we have the total number of greenhouse gas emission. So the title here of the chart is Trend of Greenhouse Gas Emission in Malaysia 2014 to 2021. Next. From the line graph, we can see that the trend increased steadily until 2019. Then it slightly decreased in 2020 with 323,378.81 and increased again in 325,700 705.28. So the highest emission comes from the energy sector, while the lowest is from the waste sector. So these emissions are a major causes of unpredictable rainfall. This has been stated to the World Bank 2021, and this also lead to several issues such as heavier rainfall and floods, changes in seasonal rainfall, and also rising rain intensity. Next, I will pass to the ATHIRAH.
Now let's move to chart 2, which is a bar graph taken from the World Bank Group Climate Change Knowledge Portal. On the x-axis, we have the month, and on the y-axis, we have the precipitation level. This chart shows the trend of average temperature and rainfall in Malaysia from January to December. The purpose of this chart is to show how rainfall pattern in Malaysia change through the year. Next. From the bar graph, we can see that the highest precipitation happened in December, which 374,73,000 millimeter, while the lowest rainfall is in July, which 184,48 thousand millimeter. Heavy rainfall during the monsoon season may cause flooding in low-lying areas. These changes are connected to climate change and rising greenhouse gas level. Back to NASIHAH.
And to conclude this presentation, both charts demonstrate how Malaysia's increasing greenhouse gas emissions are influencing the nation rainfall trend. And also stronger environmental policy and a transition toward renewable energy are needed to protect Malaysia's future climate. And that's all from us. And also this is our references for this assessment. Thank you.
Right, thank you, Aina Siha and Atira.